What does the argument mean in fig.add_subplot 111? Sometimes I come across code such as this. Which produces I've been reading the documentation like crazy, but I can't find an explanation for the 111. Sometimes I see a 212. What does the argument of fig.add_subplot mean?
I think this would be best explained by the following picture. To initialize the above, one would type
The answer from Constantine is spot on, but for more background, this behavior is inherited from MATLAB. The MATLAB behavior is explained in the figure setup, displaying multiple plots per figure section of the MATLAB documentation. Subplot M, N, I, breaks the figure window into an m by n matrix of small subplots and selects the ith subplot for the current plot. The plots are numbered along the top row of the figure window, then the second row, and so forth.
My solution is
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.